Hi, good morning. Today let's start change in profit sharing ratio in partnership accounts. This topic is included in the term 1 syllabus this year. Term 1 syllabus, as you know, we have got only MCQs, multiple choice questions, and you are awarded 1 mark for each question. So, mark is given for the answer and the step marks we are not expecting or they won't give. How to reach the final answer with a short period of time? Particularly when we don't know or when we are reluctant to solve questions using fractions. I think this is the easiest method to solve a sum in change in the profit sharing ratio. Let's start. Analyze the question first. A and B are equal partners. With effect from 1/4/2021, they decide to share profits and losses in the ratio of 4:3. So they were equal partners, now they are changing to 4:3. What is the sacrifice or gain of A and B is the question. Let us try to solve this sum without any fraction. Right, let's start. We are solving this sum without the help of fractions. Right. For that, what we need is we need 3 columns, 2 partners and the total column. First, we start with the old ratio. Old ratio is what? Equal partners 1:1 and the total is 2. The next one, we need the new ratio. New ratio is given, it is 4:3 and the total is 7. So far no confusion? No confusion. Now we take the revised old ratio. Now what is revised old ratio? Old ratio multiplied by the total of new share. 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. For B, old ratio multiplied by the new total, 1 multiplied by 7 is 7. Now 7 plus 7 is the total is 14. Any confusion here? Old ratio multiplied by new total. Old ratio multiplied by new total. We get 7 and 7 and the total is 14. Right. The next one, revised new ratio. What is revised new ratio? Their new ratio multiplied by the old total. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. Right? We are multiplying what? New ratio and the old total. 4 into 2 is 8. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. And again the total will be 14. Now kindly understand. If old is less and new is more, we are gaining. A, earlier he was getting 7. With the change in the profit sharing ratio, he will be getting 8. That means he is gaining 1. That is his gain. And B, he was getting 7 before the change in the profit sharing ratio. With effect from 1/4/2021, he will be getting only 6. Earlier he was getting 7. Now he is getting only 6. So he is sacrificing 1. 1 out of what? 1 out of the new total. 1 out of 14 is a gain of A and 1 out of 14 is sacrifice of B. So dear students, only at the end while giving the answer, we are giving it in fractions. Gain of A is 1 by 14 and sacrifice of B is 1 by 14. Here, let's analyze the question first. X, Y and Z are partners. Profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. With effect from 1st January 2021, they decide to share profits and losses equally. What is the individual gain or sacrifice? The same method. We need how much? We have got here, they were only A and B. There we have got 3 partners. So you write X, Y, Z and total. We start with old ratio. Old ratio is 5, 3, 2. 5 plus 3 plus 2 is total is 10. Right. Now what we need? The new ratio. New ratio is how much? They share profits and losses equally. That means what? 1, 1, 1. Total is 3. We have written whatever they have given in the question, we have written. Now let's start our solution. The first step is we have to calculate the revised old ratio. Revised old ratio is what? Old ratio multiplied by new total. 5 into 3 is 15. Next one, 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now what is the total here? 15, 24 and 30. 30 is the new total. The next one, revised new ratio. What is revised new ratio? New ratio multiplied by the old total. 1 into 10, 10. For Y also, 1 multiplied by 10 is 10. Z, 1 multiplied by 10 is 10. The total we get 30. Now, the next step is our answer. What is it? If old is more and new is less, we have got a sacrifice. X was getting 15 earlier. Now, with the change in the profit sharing ratio, he will get only 10. 15 he was getting, 10 he will get now. So, 5 he is sacrificing. Right? X is sacrificing 5. Y. He was getting 9. With the new ratio, he will get 10. So, he is gaining 1. What about Z? His old share was 6. His new share is 10. From 6, it is increased to 10. That means he is gaining 4. Now, students, what's the answer? X sacrifices 5. Y sacrifices 1. And Z sacrifices 4 out of how much? This is the total, isn't it? 5 by 30, 1 by 30 and 4 by 30. Now this is our answer. X sacrifice, Y gain and Z gain. Hope you understood this method. This is very simple. We are not using any fractions over here, right? Other than giving the answers, we are not using any fractions. So kindly understand, this is the easiest method of solving the sum. Thank you.